Namaskar. Welcome to the weekly weather review and outlook for next 2 weeks. I am Dr. Anandakumar Das from India Meteorological Department, a scientist. So today we will be discussing about the weather in the past week as well as I will be giving the information about the weather in next 2 weeks. So here we can see this is the weather situation in weather that in NWP analysis. This is the weather chart. Here two prominent weather events are there. First, it is started with the low pressure system, which became a depression on 24th and then gradually intensified and became a cyclonic storm Gulab. And this is the track of this whole cyclone. This is 24th, it became depression, then 2500 it became depression, and 25th evening it became cyclonic storm. Then being a cyclonic storm, it made the landfall on 26th evening hours. Then it maintains its cyclonic intensity for some time. Then on 27th early morning it became deep depression. Then again it moved throughout its whole lifetime. It moved nearly westward and it continued till 28th morning, and then it took northwestward turn and moved towards uh, this Madhya Maharashtra and Vidarbha region. So due to this, here what happened we can see from the satellite picture as well. This is the observed satellite picture. So here it started the clouding due to the system. Although due to monsoon, other systems were there already over northwest India. Then as this system approaches, it aligned all the cloudings and now the cloudings are moving westward along with the system, and it made landfall this time. And then due to this, coastal North Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha region got good amount of weather, and then it gradually crossed over South Jharkhand, then Telangana, then it went up to Vidarbha. So this is the one system. Then at the end of the week, then another low pressure system actually over Gangetic West Bengal region formed. So these are the two main events during this week. And now the remnant of this Gulab cyclone, here we can also see here remnant of the Gulab cyclone again intensified and emerged over this Kutch region over Arabian Sea, and now it is a depression. So now what happened in terms of rainfall, we can see this is the 23rd. So till that time the system was far away, only monsoon activity was taking place due to trough and Saisar. So that time 23rd there is also prominent heavy rainfall activity over Odisha, Jharkhand, here Jharkhand region, Odisha region, then also northwest India we can see Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, then Punjab, also some part of HP, East Rajasthan, then West MP region, Gujarat region also got South Gujarat region actually mostly they got heavy rainfall. Then Konkan Goa region and Madhya Maharashtra also got some kind of good amount of rainfall. Then little bit amount of rainfall took place over coastal AP, Tamil Nadu and northeast India, Karnataka. So that is the 23rd. Then this is the 24th. Here Andaman Nicobar Islands region also got rainfall. Then UP, whole UP region got good amount of rainfall. Then Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, then also Rajasthan. Then here we can see the Gujarat, Kutch, Saurashtra Kutch. Then here Marathwada and this part Telangana and Tamil Nadu Puducherry also got some kind of good amount of rainfall. Then next on 25th and 26th, we can see that 25th rainfall zone little bit reduced, but still we got good rainfall over UP, East Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and also Gujarat region, some places, then Saurashtra Kutch region, then coastal AP and Telangana also got good rain, and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry also isolated rain, and coastal and south interior Karnataka region also got rain on 25th and 26th. Also the same UP, but then Uttarakhand, MP, Gujarat region, and coastal AP, Telangana, and Rayalaseema region, and also Madhya Maharashtra region also got Vidarbha some amount of rain. Then 27th, we can see that system now approaching towards coast, and due to that we can see that very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall, very heavy rainfall actually taking place over this north coastal Andhra Pradesh and south Orissa region, and then we can see that due to this, that whole region, that trough is aligned, and this whole region is getting good rainfall. Main prominent extreme rainfall took place over north coastal Andhra Pradesh. Then Kerala also get some kind of good rainfall, and then Lakshadweep. Then 28th system progressed further westward, and we can see that whole belt of rain at the setting we can see here. Odisha, then it also reached up to East Rajasthan, then MP, then Gujarat region, then main actually over Telangana, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh. So this is the main region. Then here in west coast, coastal Karnataka and Kerala got amount, and some part of uh, north interior Karnataka also got good rainfall. So this is the 28th. Then 29th, again we see that the news that system, low pressure system over Gangetic West Bengal uh, actually produced a lot of heavy rainfall over that region, and it is extremely heavy rain happened. We can see that it is 30 West Gangetic West 22 19. So we can see a lot of places. Then Assam Meghalaya region also got. Then Gujarat region, due to that remnant of the system, it is getting intensified. This region also, Gujarat, West MP, then Saurashtra Kutch, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, then some part of Chhattisgarh also still get rain, and then here coastal region we can see uh, this coastal Karnataka, south interior Karnataka, and Konkan Goa region also get good amount of rainfall. So this is the 29th. So now if I now we can see the time series. This part is actually within the rectangle. We can see this is the week. Here we can see that this week rainfall was really above normal, and this bar we can see uh, crossing normal very much, and it is very tall bars are there. Last 3 days also huge rainfall, and then core region also it is above normal during the most of the days it is above normal. So here we can see in the Mobilu the whole rainfall of the week. So this rainfall belt gradually, due to this system, starting from north coastal AP, it gradually moved westward and reached up to now Gujarat region. So due to that, the weekly scenario is like this. Here in left side we can see, and country as a whole it is 46%. That's why a lot of rainfall took place. Northwest India 81%, then Central India 127% because this system moved over Central India, so the 127%. Southern Peninsula also got a good amount of rainfall due to the system, so that's why it is 44%. Only East and Northeast still it is minus 49%, and mostly it is due to Northeast. East part got also little bit of rain only, and this week only Bihar, Northeast, and this Karnataka in southern Northeast Karnataka and JNK. Uh, they are only uh, red we can see. So they are deficient, but most of the region and these uh, blue regions are all excess for this week. And if we see that one whole season, what is the scenario that now from 1st June to 30th September, it was uh, mostly only 6 subdivision deficient, otherwise um, all other normal or excess. So 30 subdivision normal or excess, only 6 division uh, deficient. Large deficient is 0. So only JNK, West, UP, and northeastern states. They are only and Lakswadweep. These subdivisions are only deficient. Otherwise, all over the country it is normal or excess, and that is what is reflected here in the actual amount of rainfall. And so country as a whole only minus zero point 0.7. So it is normal rain all over the country, and northwest India minus 3.9, but central India positive 3.7, southern peninsula 10.7 positive, east and northeast it is minus 11.6. So this is the picture of whole season, and country area wise only 18% is deficient, otherwise most of the parts of the country is normal or excess. And today what is the synoptic situation due to what the weather is happening? That is two system, as I already described. One is that remnant of that system now became depression, intensified into depression over Northeast Arabian Sea, and another one well-marked low over North Jharkhand and adjoining Bihar. So these two systems now is there over the Indian region, and what will be happening in the we can see in the forecast. So this is the forecast of our IMD GFS model. So rainfall and 850 millibar wind we can see. So these are the two systems here. This is the main event that cyclone which is now depression. It will intensify further. It will move westward and it will become deep depression in next 12 hours, and then it will further move west northwestward and it will become a cyclonic storm next 24 hours, and then it will also still it will continue to move northwestward and close to Pakistan and Moroccan coast it will reach, and so it will be moving away from the Indian coast. So due to that, only today we can get some kind of weather, otherwise then weather will be happening over sea or over Pakistan. So only the event what will be creating weather over Indian region, that is Wilmot low over North Jharkhand and Bihar. So that will be moving northeastward, and it will move over Bihar, and it will reach up to Swabiman and West Bengal and adjoining region. So this will be giving weather over this region, and a good amount of rainfall will be there over. GWB Bihar and SHWB and adjoining areas for next 3-4 days. And for that we can see this is the warning for next 5 days. So Gujarat region only for today it is the warning is there as the system is moving away, so it is only orange warning. Then due to this Walmart low, really heavy to very heavy rainfall will take place over Bihar and adjoining Jharkhand and GWB. So this to that's why 30th it is the red warning. The next tomorrow also it is red warning over Bihar region. Next day the system second it will move towards SHWB, but the system will weaken. So that's why the warning is reduced, but that will continue to produce rain over this region. So thunderstorm activity will be there over this yellow shaded region. We can see it, and also that will continue fast. Then second it will be reducing and it will be reduced further. But southern peninsula due to one trough in easterlies that is extending from southeast Bay of Bengal up to Andhra coast, that is uh, giving the rainfall on third and fourth and fifth day. So that is the situation in the first week. So and if we see from the model, our extended forecast model and our numerical models, so this whole system in the Arabian Sea will move westward, and that will that is actually seen in every model. So therefore winds at lower and middle tropospheric level over northwest India, they are there will be a change in the lower level, and anticyclonic circulation over the region will be there on from 5th October onwards, and due to that uh, dramatically the reduction of moisture, here we can see this rainfall is reducing over this region. So that will continue after 5th, and due to the reduction in moisture, rainfall also will be reduced. And due to that, withdrawal of southwest monsoon may happen over southwest, that may happen over the west northwest west part of the northwest India, that means Rajasthan region from 6th October. So this is the uh, forecast for the first week. Withdrawal of the southwest monsoon will be commencing over western part of the northwest India. So this is uh, the weather scenario during that week. So due to that depression that is which one is still there, that will be giving weather for today only over this Gujarat and Saurashtra Kutch region, but then it will not be producing any weather over this region. But this weather Wilmot low which is there over Jharkhand, North Jharkhand and Bihar, that will be giving rainfall over Jharkhand, West Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Bihar and Sikkim till Bihar, Sub-Himalayan, SHWB and Sikkim till 3rd October. Over Jharkhand it will be up to 1st October, then it will be decreasing. But this rainfall will be very heavy to extremely heavy over this Bihar region 2nd and 3rd October, and then Jharkhand only 1st October, then it will move towards Bihar. So trough in easterly that will give weather in the peninsular region, mostly over Tamil Nadu, Kerala and coastal and south interior Karnataka, and isolated very heavy over Tamil Nadu 2nd to 5th October. So this is the first week weather, and if we see the second week weather, that we can see this region rainfall is that this is totally white, so rainfall is reduced. So southwest monsoon is likely to withdraw further from many parts of the northwest India, and also some part of the south. It may start from central India. One low pressure may likely to form over Southwest Bay in the beginning of the week, and then due to that, and also there will be movement of the trough in easterlies over the subpeninsular region. So due to that, some peninsula and some part of central India and northeast may get rain, and then overall normal rainfall activity will be there over central and east India, and normal to above over northwest and southern peninsular northeast India. It will be uh, above normal. So this is the scenario for the second week. So this is the whole weather review and outlook for the next 2 weeks. So if you want to know more detail, so please visit our website, as well as you can access all weather information through our apps. Different apps are there. They are available in all platforms. Then information are available over Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. We have also blogs, Facebook. So all weather information you can access. That will be very helpful. If there is a warning, please follow it. And for to know about the details about the whole monsoon season, you can visit our website for monsoon. Thank you.